YouTube. It's a positive day. We're here at the local Home Depot. And we're just getting started. Maybe if you know what time it is. But we're here picking up this kind of machine here. Trying to get it, you know, ready to do some work for today. We got a little action going on today. I want you to stick around. This is the start of a new video. And we're here ready to, you know, use the new rental John Deere. See what they want to do. And we're going to pick up a bit of gravel and rock and get it ready for, you know, get it ready for a project here that we're working on. So stick around, YouTube. We're all okay, YouTube. It's a spectacular finish. We formed up one over there, and we still have one to go. As you can see, the driveways have been removed. Right, we got a bit of cleanup, but there's always another day of construction. Right, we formed up one leg, got another leg here to go. Right, we're gonna take care of this one in the morning. You know the machine has to go back. Everything's on time. And this is what we accomplished today. And as you can see, it's about that time to leave. They've started my truck without my my approval, but that's okay because I'm ready to go as well. This is what we got today, YouTube. This is what we got today. As you can see, we didn't touch the sidewalk, and we have a bit of trash over there still to move. But stay posted. We'll keep you in tune. We'll let you know what's going on in this construction site. It's another one. Look at the mango trees. Coconut. Thanks, Home Depot. Okay, YouTube, let's take this as a teachable moment. As you can see, compacting is not the hardest thing in the world. You just run this machine, this plate compactor, and it compacts all the loose gravel, all the loose rocks, keep everything tight. There's actually a test to tell you how much the ground is compacted. But we're here just compacting and getting ready for the concrete. Take a look at what's going on. And also, YouTube, by the way, that's my son. Okay, YouTube, as you can see, we're taking our time to cut the approach on the road so that the concrete can touch the road and have a smooth transition. This is simply done by using our 4-inch grinder, scoring a line, getting it done. I don't know, but for some reason we just wanted to show off the brand that does it. Ryobi does it well. Yes, this is a mango season driveway. Can you imagine? This is what we got, YouTube.
Beautiful.
Thank you, man.
6 inches straight in the head.
You know what I mean?
Thank God.
Thank you, sir.
I want to show you something I do. I want to show you something real interesting.
Okay.
When you're done with that video, I want to talk to you.
All right.
You're going to know what I want to show you.
No problem, bro. I could stop now for you, man. No problem.
Because this has my phone number. I don't want that.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. But I'll give you something. So you...
Okay, YouTube, it's the end of the day. And this is what we got. Formed straight as a board, clean, well compacted. Line cut real straight. Make it happen. This is what we got, YouTube. Take a look at it.
Concrete Driveway and General Contractor in South Florida is the go-to for any remodeling chaos. Need a new driveway or a full-on home makeover?